Question 12. 1 gallon of honey provides enough fuel for a bee to fly about 7 million miles. Roughly, how many bees could fly 1,000 miles if they had 10 gallons of honey to share between them? So one bee has this number of miles. We now have 10 gallons. We divide that by 1,000 because we've got 1,000 miles we're looking at. This moves 1, 2, 3, so therefore the 7 goes directly beneath here. And the answer is 70,000, which means the answer is B.